Hey, I'm Dean, and today we're going to introduce you our amazing new solar panel product. Make sure you're following us because we're going to have lots of great things to show you. This is a new product. It is a high-power 4 100-watt solar panels from Sungold Star. It comes with a great storage bag and with an Anderson inside. The solar panel is made from ETFE materials, therefore making it extremely durable. It also helps reflect the light into the interior of the solar panel. The frame is made from an aluminum alloy. The four corners are made from a UV resistant material. Let's see how much it weighs. Wow, only just 28 pounds. Okay, let's open the solar panel. This solar panel is made up with 4 100-watt solar panels there, guys. On the back there, each has its own sturdy bracket and also has a junction box so you can connect an Anderson connector. The solar panel is 84 inches long, 38 inches wide, but if you fold it, it will compact down to just 21 inches, meaning you can store it in the trunk of your car, no problem at all. It is equipped with a high-efficiency PERC shingled solar cell. Therefore, the overall power generation is quite powerful. Right, let's go outside and test it out. Now I'm outdoors. Placing the solar panels out between 1 and 2 p.m. will allow them to get enough sunlight. It's important to remember when setting up the solar panels that you might need to move them to maximize the resource of the sun. Also, make sure that you're not obstructed by any buildings, trees or branches, as that can affect the use of it. Now, let's connect the solar panel to the portable power station. Let's check out the charging information. 320 watts of power. Let's see how much power can be charged to the portable power station in 20 minutes. In just 20 minutes, the portable power station has 10% of power. So, in strong sunshine like today, the power station of 2000 watts can be charged in about 7 to 8 hours. Compared to other power stations on the market, that's pretty amazing. The power station can power any device. So let's try it now. As you can see, the fan works really well. This doesn't affect its use. As you can see, it is really waterproof. After these tests, we can be sure these high-powered 4 100-watt solar panels are great for use outdoors. They are lightweight and high in power. They won't give any problems to the portable power station because it can be used for many devices such as small appliances and, amazingly, portable speakers. The video's over, so if you have any questions about my amazing solar panels, you can drop me a message. Make sure you're following me because next time we're going to have a more exciting video where we're going to compare 4 100 watts high power panels with other BB products on the market.